Astronauts once heard strange sounds while orbiting the far side of the moon. During Apollo missions, crews reported eerie whistling noises while completely cut off from Earth. The sounds lasted for nearly an hour. Some astronauts described them as outer space-type music. Years later, NASA released the recordings to the public. Experts believe the sounds were likely caused by radio interference between spacecraft systems. But many people who hear the recordings today still find them unsettling. Follow for more mysteries.